Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be going to Nairobi. Follow me in my journey. I woke up in the wee hours of the morning and we got on a ride to the SGR train. So that was on our way to the SGR, and that's Mombasa town, and that's Stanbic Bank roundabout. And then we diverted. For some reason I'm getting to understand Mombasa more because I'm passing through more often. So yeah, we went and along the way I captured a few moments and a few sunrise, as you will be seeing. Those are some of the buildings within Mombasa. If at all you've not visited Mombasa, what are you waiting for? There's a lot of things you can do in Mombasa, from street food to visiting very nice places. So whenever you're to go, please refer to my YouTube channel. You'll be able to know exactly. Look at the sunrise. Yes, I captured that and I was able to bring it to you guys. And then we proceeded, of course. We're approaching the SGR, and then there we arrived. That is the Mombasa terminal. So I went fast. I checked in, I printed my tickets. Of course, you carry your own bags. I had two bags and one handbag. So yeah, how is that, guys? It looks so beautiful. Uganda, what are we doing? You print your own, or you can go to the counter and they print for you. That's my ticket. And those were my bags. So guys, I was already upstairs and I was in the waiting area. So I took a few views. You can see the water somewhere there. Yes. Beautiful views as you're waiting for the train to set off. So that's the area we will pass later on as we are heading to the train. They are very well organized and very developed. I love it. And then that's one of the places we're waiting from. And this is the SGR from upstairs, the SGR building, and that's the train. Ugandan people, do you copy this? That's one of the statues. It didn't come out nicely, but yeah. So that's the train. As we were heading there, I took some pictures, and that's the inside of the train. It wasn't really that full, so I captured very many spots. Yeah, those are two-seaters with a small table and a tray. That's how it looks on the inside. I didn't really film that much, as you can see, and they were announcing here some of the things that you have to follow and all.
Maintain a clean environment by clearing the table after finishing your meal. Thank you.
Hi guys, I'm going to Nairobi via train, and I will show you like a few segments of the train kidogo because I don't want to be in people's businesses. So I'm by the window side, and this is like a three-seater. Yeah, let me show you how the other side is. So this is how the inside of the train is. That's a small tray. These are 3 seats, and this is more.